So let's talk about Blizzard and Microsoft. Microsoft is acquiring Blizzard. Blizzard is a very famous gaming company. They publish Call of Duty, World of Warcraft, Diablo. So most of gamers heard of that. It's a pretty big gaming company. A lot of people love. And Microsoft is acquiring this company at a valuation of 68 billion US dollars, which is a lot. Can you imagine? 68 billion, 68 unicorns. It's far more than its previous big acquisition, LinkedIn, $26 billion. So this is really a big merging time for gaming industry. A lot of mergers that really happening in gaming industry. And Microsoft previously acquired also some company, Minecraft. And in fact, Microsoft is really the company that want to acquire a lot of like very big other companies like GitHub, LinkedIn, Minecraft, Blizzard. That's very interesting. And their strategy is to build a very big gaming department so they can compete with some other large gaming company like Sony, Epic, Tencent. So in terms of the size, the largest gaming company in the world is Tencent. It's famous for its mobile games. And the second one is Sony. Sony definitely have so many games and its PlayStation series. Really happening. And Microsoft's planning, what is its strategy? Its strategy is by the Blazers, so that he can integrate those popular IPs, popular titles to Xbox Game Pass. Now it's really the subscription, like everyone's going to a subscription-based gaming. For example, Microsoft, the Stadia and the Nvidia's, those kind of things. They want people to just pay a certain amount of money every month, so they provide you free titles to play. So Microsoft want to add Warcraft, Diablo, Overwatch, Call of Duty, Candy Crush, those famous titles, famous IPs to Xbox Game Pass, so that they can attract more users. Just this works the same as Netflix. Netflix acquire a lot of TV shows, movies, so that people want to subscribe more. What they care about subscribers, the number of subscribers. So far, Microsoft didn't really have a good reputation for its acquisitions, but recently, like the recent 5 years, Microsoft have been doing quite well in managing its acquisitions. For example, LinkedIn and GitHub are running quite well. And so I believe Blizzard's Activision Blizzard should be good. I hope it will be good because they have so many games that we love. Okay, Activision Blizzard, it's been acquired by Microsoft. Evaluation of 68 billion. That's big things, and that's kind of merging change we probably will see more in the future. And video gaming, computer video gaming, it's the playgrounds that only big players can play, because now most of games there's really requires a lot of budgets, because computer and consoles, these kind of platforms is really mature right now. The more mature the technology, the platform is, the harder for those small game companies, studios to survive. So what they can survive right now is probably they will shift to new platform. For example, VR metaverse, if you would. They pretty immature right now, so you have like small budget. If you're independent studios, you have chance, you have a shot there. But if you want to work on the gaming company, like video games, computer games, it's really hard to compete with those AAA games. It's just harder, much harder. Just like when 5 years ago there was like a mobile games. 10 years ago when Android, iPhone just started, it's really easy to make games there. You can just be one person team, then you make a game that got few millions downloads. Now it's it's almost impossible to do that if you don't have good graphics, a team of designers, army of programmers. You won't be able to release the game. They attract enough of traction. So, and also you need a lot of marketing. It's highly competitive in mobile gaming, in video gaming, computer console gaming. So if you are very small studios, I would really think you should go for those new platforms, even like iWatch, or some wearable portable things, or VR, AR, they kind of platform. They will be much easier for small studios to survive. So that's all for today. If you would like to receive more technology news analysis like this, don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, I will see you next time.